27 ते 29 जानेवारी मजगती ज्ञानमूर्ती जी.डी. कामत चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टाचे मजतीन राष्ट्रीय मूट कोर्ट सर्त जातली। मिरामारचे मूट कोर्ट सोसायटी ऑफ देवी शर्वणी एज्युकेशन सोसायटी व्ही.एम. साळगावकर कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ कॉलेजीत न्यायाधीश जी.डी. कामताचे यादीन ही सर्त घडोवन हाडटले। जी.डी. कामत हो गोयचो पयलो न्यायाधीश, जाची उच्च न्यायालयाचो मुखेल न्यायाधीश म्हणूनय नेमणूक जाल्ली। संस्थेची थापणूक करपातय ताचो मुखेल वांटो आशिल्लो।
is conducting Justice G.D. Kamath Memorial National Moot Court Competition, and the competition is starting from 27th of January 2023, then 28th January 2023 and 29th January 2023. The first day we are going to have orientation. All the teams are going to arrive on first day. Then we are having after 6 o'clock, 6 to 7 we are having inaugural session, and for which His Excellency Gaurav Goa is accepted to be the chief guest for this program. The next day we are going to have 2 rounds of preliminary rounds of competition plus quarterfinals. The entire day goes for this, and 26 teams are taking part in this competition. So out of 26 teams, 8 teams goes to quarterfinal. The next day we are going to have semi-finals, 4 teams, and in the afternoon we are going to have finals rounds. So for final rounds, Justice Mahesh Sonath is accepted to be one of the judge, and then 2 more judges. One is Justice Valmiki Menendez, and who is the judge of High Court of Mumbai, and even ex-judge Justice Valden Rebula accepted to be the judge for this event, and who was ex-Bombay Court judge as well as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. This event we are mainly sponsored by Justice G.D. Kamath Memorial Trust as well as Tatra Salgonga sir. He is accepted to provide financial support from college side, and we are spending almost around more than 10 lakhs for this event, and 1.1 lakh is a cash prize, plus we are going to have trophies for each event. That is winners, runners up, best student advocate as well as best memorial. Each team in the preliminary rounds and the other round we are going to use 30 minutes for each team. So there are 2 participants, there are totally 3 participants. Of the 3 participants, 2 will be going to speak. We can say each person will get only 15 minutes, that is 30 minutes, and the other team also is going 30 minutes. They have to put before the judges their we can say argument skills. The problem is already given, it is a fiction problem. So last year we have given a problem. The problem was regarding hijab, and every day we come with contemporary issues happening in our country, and this time the issue is regarding we can say constitutionality of sedition law. And because Goa are having only 2 colleges, our college never takes part in the competition because we don't want to be competitors. We want to show transparency, and even sometimes if the teams are not even, our college team also take part, but our college team never reaches quarterfinals. We don't make our team to go quarterfinals because we want to maintain transparency. Only for a dummy team, or we can say standby, we have our own college team in case of emergency. Otherwise, our team never take part in this event.